Microsoft's AI chief just promised that superintelligence won't replace your job. Meanwhile, OpenAI is cutting 900 employees. So why are the biggest AI companies suddenly saying the opposite of what they said 2 years ago? Something doesn't add up. Welcome to the scripted future. The messaging shift is real, and it's happening because the stakes have gotten higher. Let me break down what's actually going on behind closed doors at these companies, and what it means for your career. First, let's look at what they're saying now versus what they said before. Mustafa Suleyman, Microsoft's AI chief, went on record recently claiming that superintelligence, which means AI systems smarter than humans, won't actually displace workers at scale. That's a massive reversal from the anxiety we heard just 18 months ago when everyone was worried about white-collar job cuts. But here's the thing, Suleyman works for Microsoft. Microsoft has invested $13 billion into OpenAI. That's not a small bet. When you're holding that much capital in an AI company, saying AI will destroy jobs is bad for business. So the timing matters here. Second, let's look at what's actually happening inside the companies building this stuff. Sam Altman at OpenAI laid off 900 people, which is roughly 20% of their workforce. He said it was because the company had become bloated. But that same month, OpenAI announced they're spending billions on new compute infrastructure and scaling up research. So you're cutting people but scaling systems. That's not efficiency, that's replacement. The contradiction is stark. If superintelligence won't displace workers, why are you building the most capable systems possible and removing the humans who used to do those jobs? OpenAI is showing you what they actually believe through their budget, not through their press releases. Third, follow the regulatory pressure. The AI companies are facing heat from governments and worker advocacy groups about job displacement. The European Union is tightening AI regulations. Congress is asking harder questions. When you're under regulatory scrutiny, the smart PR move is to say your technology is safe and won't hurt workers. That's not a lie, exactly, but it's a strategic framing. It's designed to buy time before the job cuts get too visible or the backlash gets too loud. These companies know that massive unemployment caused by AI would trigger legislation that could slow them down or limit their models. So they're making a calculated bet that if they say the right things now, they can deploy the technology first and deal with the consequences later. Here's what's actually true, AI will absolutely displace certain types of work. We already see it happening. Customer service roles are being consolidated. Basic coding tasks are being automated. Data entry is disappearing. The honest answer from someone like Suleyman should be that new tools always displace some jobs and create new ones, but that transition is messy and painful for people caught in the middle. Instead, we get absolute statements that superintelligence won't replace workers, which is just not credible when you look at what these companies are actually building and how they're actually staffing up. The real question isn't whether AI will change the job market. The question is whether you're going to be ready for that shift. The companies building this technology are betting on themselves, not on your job security. They're investing in capability, not in transition support or retraining programs. That means if you're in a field that's about to get disrupted, your employer probably isn't going to tell you directly. You'll figure it out when the layoff memo comes. So what do you think is actually driving this messaging from the big AI companies? Is it just PR and regulatory strategy, or do you think some of them actually believe what they're saying? Drop your take in the comments, and for more on what's really going on inside the AI industry, subscribe to The Scripted Future. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to The Scripted Future for more tech and AI news that actually matters.